Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. You know I love talking about simple things you can do to improve your health. And today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of your kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly to filter waste products from your blood, regulate blood pressure, and even stimulate red blood cell production. Pretty amazing, right? But just like any other organ, your kidneys can be vulnerable to damage, especially with the changes in diet and lifestyle that often accompany the winter months. Maintaining the health of the kidneys becomes an utmost priority during winter seasons when metabolic processes shift and the body requires some extra support. These organs constantly work hard to flush out toxins and maintain equilibrium in the body, and the right superfood can ease their burden even better during the cold season. It's important to include renal-friendly superfoods in your diet, especially at night, to support kidney function, reduce inflammation, and prevent damage. Here are some simple, everyday foods that prevent kidney damage. First up, we have a vibrant veggie that's as delicious as it is nutritious: beetroot. This root vegetable is not only a feast for the eyes with its deep crimson hue, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're a fan of its earthy flavor or not, there's no denying the incredible impact it can have on your well-being. Seriously, don't let the color scare you. That vibrant red is a sign of the rich nutrients packed inside. Beets are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes from salads to soups and even smoothies. Beets are packed with antioxidants and nitrates, which are compounds that can work wonders for your blood vessels and circulation. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. See, nitrates naturally convert to nitric oxide in your body. This process is crucial because nitric oxide plays a key role in maintaining cardiovascular health. And nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This not only improves blood flow, but also helps lower blood pressure, making it a heart-friendly food. This is huge for your kidneys because it allows blood to flow more easily, putting less stress on those delicate filtering units. Improved circulation means your kidneys can function more efficiently, filtering out toxins and waste products from your blood. Plus, beets are a good source of fiber, which is like a best friend to your digestive system. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut, and it helps regulate bowel movements. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, keeping things moving smoothly and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system means better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. And when your digestive system is happy, it takes some of the workload off your kidneys. This symbiotic relationship between your gut and kidneys is vital for maintaining optimal health. Now, how can you enjoy this crimson powerhouse? There are countless ways to incorporate beets into your diet, each bringing its own unique flavor and health benefits. One of my favorite ways is to roast them. Roasting beets enhances their natural sweetness and brings out a rich caramelized flavor that's hard to resist. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness. It's a simple yet delicious way to enjoy beets, and it pairs well with a variety of dishes. Just drizzle some olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and pop them in the oven until they're tender. You can also experiment with different herbs and spices to add more depth to the flavor. You can also add beets to salads, soups, or even smoothies for a nutritional punch. Their vibrant color and unique taste can elevate any dish, making it not only healthier but also more visually appealing. Among the best renal-friendly options, beetroot leads the pack with powerful antioxidants and nitrates, enhancing blood flow and aiding in detoxification. These properties make it an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. Adding beets to your soups or salads adds color to them and boosts kidney function very significantly. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't hesitate to pick up some beets and start reaping their amazing health benefits. Next, we have a tart and tangy fruit that's especially popular during the winter months: cranberries. These small, vibrant red berries are not only a festive addition to your holiday table but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. These little red gems are famous for their ability to help prevent urinary tract infections, or UTIs. This is one of the most well-known benefits of cranberries, and it's backed by scientific research. Now, you might be wondering, what do UTIs have to do with my kidneys? Well, the urinary tract is a complex system that includes your kidneys, bladder, and the tubes that connect them. It's all interconnected. UTIs happen when bacteria invade your urinary tract, which includes your kidneys, bladder, and the tubes that connect them. These bacteria can cause a lot of discomfort and, if not treated, can lead to more serious health issues. And if left untreated, a UTI can actually spread to your kidneys, leading to a more serious infection. This can cause significant pain and potentially lead to kidney damage. Cranberries contain a special type of compound called proanthocyanidins, or PACs. These compounds are what give cranberries their unique ability to combat UTIs. PACs can help prevent those pesky UTI-causing bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, making it harder for an infection to take hold. This is a natural way to help keep your urinary tract healthy, but cranberries' benefits don't stop there. They're also loaded with antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and contributing to various diseases. This antioxidant power can be especially beneficial for your kidneys, as they're constantly working to filter out waste products. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants help your kidneys function more efficiently. So, how can you enjoy cranberries? There are many delicious and versatile ways to incorporate them into your diet. Of course, cranberry juice is a classic, but make sure to choose a variety that's low in sugar or unsweetened. This way, you can enjoy the health benefits without the added sugars. You can also enjoy fresh cranberries, which are perfect for adding a tart flavor to salads, sauces, and even smoothies. Dried cranberries are another popular option, but again, watch the sugar content. They make a great addition to trail mixes, oatmeal, and baked goods. Speaking of baked goods, cranberries can add a festive touch to muffins, breads, and other treats. Their tartness pairs wonderfully with sweet flavors. Cranberries are another favorite winter fruit known for preventing urinary tract infections due to their ability to repel harmful bacteria. This makes them a valuable addition to your diet, especially during the colder months. Its antioxidants can also help reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys, preventing damage to the organ. So next time you see these tiny berries, remember the big benefits they bring to your health. Let's move on to a comforting and versatile root vegetable that deserves a permanent spot on your plate, the sweet potato. This humble tuber is not only a staple in many cuisines around the world, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Whether you're looking for a hearty side dish or a main course, sweet potatoes can fit the bill perfectly. These vibrant orange tubers are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can support your kidney health. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to any diet. Plus, their natural sweetness makes them a hit with both kids and adults alike. One of the key nutrients in sweet potatoes is potassium. This essential mineral is crucial for many bodily functions, including muscle contractions, nerve signals, and fluid balance. It's particularly important for those with kidney concerns. Now, potassium plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common issue that can lead to serious health problems, including heart disease and stroke. By incorporating potassium-rich foods like sweet potatoes into your diet, you can help manage your blood pressure levels more effectively. And maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is essential for protecting your kidneys from damage. When your blood pressure is under control, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter your blood, which can help prevent kidney damage over time. See, when your blood pressure is consistently high, it can put extra strain on your kidneys' delicate filtering units. This added stress can cause these tiny filters to become damaged, reducing their ability to effectively clean your blood. Over time, this can lead to kidney damage or even kidney disease. It's a gradual process that can have serious consequences if not managed properly. That's why it's so important to take steps to protect your kidneys, and diet plays a big role in that. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, which, as we talked about earlier, is great for your digestive system, and can indirectly benefit your kidneys. Fiber helps to keep your digestive tract running smoothly, which can reduce the workload on your kidneys. Now, how can you enjoy this versatile veggie? The possibilities are endless. You can bake them, boil them, or even grill them. They can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, making them a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. One of my favorite ways is to simply roast them until they're tender and caramelized. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and gives them a deliciously crispy exterior. You can season them with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, or get creative with your favorite herbs and spices. You can also mash them, puree them into soups, or even spiralize them into noodles for a healthy and delicious alternative to pasta. Sweet potato noodles are a great way to enjoy a low-carb meal that's still satisfying and full of flavor. For a comforting and nourishing choice, turn to sweet potatoes. They are not only versatile and delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your overall health. Filled with vitamin A and C, potassium and fiber, they contribute to stabilizing blood glucose and blood pressure, which are both important risk factors in kidney disease. These nutrients work together to support your body's overall function and help maintain a healthy balance. Not only are they tasty, but they also contribute to better overall wellness. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help you feel more energized, improve your digestion, and support your kidney health. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some sweet potatoes and enjoy all the benefits they have to offer. Let's talk about garlic, the pungent bulb that adds a burst of flavor to countless dishes. But garlic isn't just about taste. It's also a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your kidneys in several ways. One of garlic's key compounds is allicin, which is responsible for its characteristic aroma and many of its health benefits. Allicin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Inflammation is a natural part of your body's healing process. But chronic inflammation can damage your organs, including your kidneys. By reducing inflammation, garlic may help protect your kidneys from damage. Garlic has also been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects, which, as we discussed earlier, is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Now, how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet? Well, the possibilities are endless. Add it to stir-fries, soups, stews, sauces, or even roast a whole head of garlic for a mellow and spreadable treat. Garlic, a winter favorite, isn't just about adding flavor to your dishes. Its anti-inflammatory properties through allicin, lower blood pressure and cholesterol, protecting the kidneys. Finally, let's talk about spinach, a leafy green that's packed with nutrients, including some that can benefit your kidneys. Spinach is a good source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting. Now, you might be wondering, what does blood clotting have to do with my kidneys? Well, healthy blood clotting is essential for preventing excessive bleeding, even in your kidneys. Spinach is also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that's involved in over 300 bodily processes, including blood pressure regulation. And as we've discussed, maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for protecting your kidneys. However, it's important to note that spinach does contain oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds that can contribute to kidney stones in some people. If you're prone to kidney stones, it's best to enjoy spinach in moderation and talk to your doctor about whether you need to limit your intake. Now, how can you enjoy spinach? You can add it to salads, smoothies, soups, stews, or even sauté it as a simple and delicious side dish. Spinach, high in iron, magnesium, and many other nutrients, is another winter superfood, and benefits kidney health if eaten in limited amounts. While its high oxalate content can be a concern for those prone to kidney stones, including spinach in balanced quantities can provide vital nourishment. So, there you have it, 5 superfoods that can help protect your kidneys this winter. By adding these nutrient-rich foods to your diet, you can give your kidneys the love and support they deserve. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is an investment in your overall health and well-being. By adding these superfoods to your nighttime routine, you can nourish your kidneys, prevent renal disease, and enhance your overall health this winter. Winter nights provide an opportunity to feed and shield your kidneys with mindful food choices. In addition to including these superfoods, drinking enough water, not consuming too much salt, and staying warm and active can also promote kidney health. All of these small, impactful habits not only safeguard your kidneys but also promote overall vitality during the colder months. Let your plate be a reflection of health and warmth, making every meal a step towards wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share it with your friends and family so they can learn how to protect their kidneys too.